Amazon affiliate marketing, how is working and what you need to have to start. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Amazon affiliate marketing, how is working and what you need to have to start. So make sure to watch the full video. What is Amazon affiliate marketing? Member showcasing is a cycle where distributors procure a commission by advancing an item or administration made by another retailer or promoter utilizing a partner connect. The subsidiary accomplice is compensated a payout for giving a particular outcome to the retailer or promoter. Normally, the outcome is a deal. However, some subsidiary showcasing projects can compensate you for leads, free preliminary clients, snaps to a site, or getting downloads for an application. Most partner programs are normally allowed to join, so you don't need to stress over high startup costs. Done well, a successful offshoot showcasing procedure can go from second job to beneficial internet-based business thought by mesh you a solid pay. There are three sorts of partner showcasing. Pay per deal. In this sort of program, the shipper pays a subsidiary when the partner sends a client who makes a buy. A few vendors pay the member a proper rate for every deal, while others, similar to Amazon, pay a level of the deal. Pay per click. In this plan, the subsidiary is paid in view of the number of guests that show up at the trader's site by means of the member connect, and the partner is paid whether or not guests make a buy. Pay per lead. This sort of program pays subsidiaries in view of the quantity of guests to the trader's webpage who join as leads or finish up the mentioned data on the site. Amazon falls in the primary class, and subsidiaries can procure as much as $20,000 a year relying upon their foundation size. Anyway, how can it work? How Amazon affiliate works. Amazon affiliate includes eluding an item or administration by sharing it on a blog, virtual entertainment stage, web recording, or site. The member procures a commission each time somebody makes a buy through the special partner connect related with their suggestion. Commission rates for subsidiary deals shift contingent upon the organization and the proposition. On the low end, you'll procure around 5% of the deal, however for certain plans, you can procure as much as half, normally while advancing a class or occasion. Amazon Partners is basically a reference program that pays a commission to eluding sites. So when you send a client to Amazon through a connection on your site, you get a level of the offer of anything that they buy over the course of the following 24 hours. Your bonus fluctuates, however, contingent upon what sort of thing a client buys. Allude to the graph beneath to see what Amazon's decent standard program charge rate is for different item classifications. It's critical to remember that the level of the deal you get isn't the main figure your bonus. Your change rate likewise matters since it reflects the number of individuals that are really clicking a partner connection and making a buy in the wake of visiting your site. Your change rate is the level of guests to your site who make a buy through your partner interface out of the all-out number of guests to your site. For instance, if during the long stretch of August, your site gets 5,000 guests and 10 of those guests made a buy in the wake of tapping on your subsidiary connection, that would be a transformation pace of 0.2%. The typical associate change rate is 0.5% to 1%. Notwithstanding, a few offshoots routinely have a lot higher transformation rates. Since you get a level of all that a client purchases from Amazon in something like 24 hours of when they show up at Amazon.com from a member connect, there's additionally the possibility to procure additional income from items that you don't explicitly publicize. For instance, in the event that you run a delight blog that elements partner connects to extravagance excellence things, which have an expense pace of 10%, you might get 10% of the acquisition of a top-of-the-line cream, yet additionally 8% of the expense of a container of canine treats assuming the client likewise buys rolls. Notwithstanding, to procure a commission from Amazon buys, a client should submit a request in no less than 24 hours of showing up at Amazon.com from your partner connect. When that 24-hour window closes, or on the other hand if the client re-enters Amazon through another offshoots connection, you will not procure any charges from ensuing buys. Notwithstanding, in the event that the client gets back to Amazon through one of your subsidiary connections, another 24-hour window opens, and you'll again be qualified to procure expenses in view of the client's organization. Assuming a client shows up at Amazon from one of your member joins, adds a thing to their shopping basket, and leaves Amazon without finishing their request, it's as yet workable for you to procure a level of that deal. However long the thing was added to the customer's truck inside the 24-hour window, you'll get the reference expense assuming the request is put before the shopping basket terminates, which is normally 90 days. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.